Hi you guys, come with me to ride my bike, or my Insta bike. Down thy slope we go, whee! And now we're gonna go down this path. Come with me, woo! And now we're gonna keep going up this sidewalk, walk. I can't speak British. Just got hit by a tree. See you guys soon. Let's go down. Oh shoot, there's a car. Okay. Now, after switching that up, we're gonna start going up the hill. Cute dog. Up and up we go. Woo! We're gonna go down or straight. Yeah, fine. Gonna go straight and then down a hill. I'll keep this video going till the hill so I don't die. Okay, getting kind of close. So I will see you guys after. Woo! And I'm almost home. Finished soaking wet.